Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Keepa for price drop alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Keepa for price drop alerts, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Keepa and press enter. Look for the official Keepa website link in the search results. Click on the link to open the Keepa homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the Get Keepa button. Click on this button to proceed with the download. You will see options for different installation methods. If you're using Chrome, choose the option for the Chrome Web Store. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store page for Keepa. Click on the Add to Chrome button on that page. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click on Add Extension. Wait for the extension to download and install. After installation, you will see the Keepa icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the Keepa icon to open the extension. To set up price drop alerts, create a free account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a password. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. You can now set price drop alerts for products you're interested in. To do this, visit an Amazon product page. Look for the Keepa price history graph displayed on the page. Below the graph, you will see options to set up alerts. Choose the price point for your alert and enter it. Select how you want to be notified when the alert triggers. Finally, save your alert settings. Now you're all set to receive notifications on price drops for your favorite products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.